ayos lang. Ito. Kumusta?
Yeah, okay lang kami dito. Yan. Buti lang mayroon kang 3 lalaki na. Dapat
Puro Fernandez lahat.
lahat nga, kamukha mo nga lahat, oh. Carbon copy, ano? Ha? Dapat, mayroon pa babae. Kano yung coffee?
Si Hi.
Ayan, para meron tayong,
Kumusta?
like, oh, sure.
Kumusta kayo?
Yan, cheese balling. Sarap niyan, oh. Cheese balling.
Sa,
Kailan ang binyag niyan?
sa August po siguro.
August. Ayan.
Bitan namin kayo.
Anak ko, sana, wala, busy ako lagi. Hopefully, magkaroon ng chance, no?
It would be a Sunday. You open on Sunday too?
Oh, yeah, we're open Sunday. 7 days a week. Hi, good morning. Can I help you? Tingin-tingin. Okay, that's fine. Magsalita ka dyan, Manny. Dito ka sa kabila, man. Dito ka, magsalita ka dyan para makita ka sa Pangasinan. Ayan.
Oh, let me
Kumusta dito sa San Carlos, Panggalangan, Malaming, Kalbuyan, Kabataan, especially aray kakabinsan ko aray Fernandez dito na Panggalangan tan bye-bye aray Fernandez. Dito na lang gindi siguro ma siya mira.
Sarap.
Are you guys the same bakery, Richard's Bakery? Kasi dati sa Mermesa, maybe 20 years
Kumusta?
ago.
Franchise.
Oh, franchise.
Even next year, city. Meron na.
Meron din kayo.
Yung dati nila to doon sa kabila. Yung dati. Noon pa yun, tagal na yun.
Yeah, we sold out. Sarap. Oy, coffee ka na. Ba't di sa iyo, Mark?
No, we're just
That's good,
sharing.
I'm good.
Try this one. This is good.
Yeah, he's gonna eat that.
Cinnamon rolls.
You better say hi to people back home. I think it's still recording. It's still recording.
Still recording? Yeah. Come on, tell say hi.
Oh, it's okay.
Sabi naman ako, may son coming today. Nasa shuttle na daw siya ngayon eh. Si Richard, yung Marine Corps.
Oh. So that your bakery is named after your son.
Anyway, yan ni Kabat, singaran ko, John Fernandez, tatay ko ay Pedro Fernandez, ang nanay ko ay Rita Fernandez. Taga kami, Palaming,
Marami kami gawin
sa tatay ko, taga Dinwalan.
When we went home sa
So,
Pangasinan, oh my God, ang dami.
Naya Kabat,
We have a big family.
John Fernandez, taga
They'll be
Santiago.
happy.
Yeah.
See him.
I'll see you guys on April.
Oh, April ha. Naku,
Palaming Pesta.
Ako,
Saka
init yun.
Panggalangan Pesta.
Not this year.
Pangalanan.
No? Makakala nila this year.
Next year, 2013.
Yeah.
Sobrang init yun ha. Dadali mo yung baby mo?
Yeah, lahat sila.
Oh my God, that's gonna be hot. Where, in Palamig?
Palaming yan.
Ooh, this will be hot.
We were just there 2 years ago.
April?
Pilisa ko din na yo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Isya ko raman na Panggalangan Pesta.
Oh, isa sa'yo mo lang. That's
Isya
good.
ko ra.
You need to have a video para mayroon tayong
Si nanay, nanay niya, sila lagi magkasama sa masaya.
yung ka lang, doon ka lang para makita ka. Doon ka, punta ka na para
It's okay.
ayaw mo.
Takot sabi,
Ipa-model mo yung
makikita natin namin sa YouTube.
Ay, pakita mo to. Para ito ang cinnamon rolls.
Yung cinnamon
Special.
roll.
Yan.
Specialty niya, ito yung sarap ito.
There you go.
Ayan.
Para makita nila doon.
Bata, pwede na.
Oh, sige, okay na. Thank you so much for stopping by in the Richard's Bakery.
Thank you for everything.
8th Street and Plaza Boulevard. And this is in National City, California.
Next time.
And this is Wilma speaking from San Diego. And Manny is my cousin, according to him. This is my first time to meet him, right?
Yes.
I think so, yeah.
No,
Second time? Oh, that's been like, we're talking about 20 years ago. So it's been too long. So anyway, nice to see you again and hope to see you back around the National City area. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.